When I became sheriff, there was a lot that needed to be assessed within the agency. I instituted regular bi-weekly meetings with my command staff to ensure that all leaders across the agency are on the same page. I also implemented new cost-saving software, more software, less paper. We also made a strong presence in South Cobb with our new South Annex, the building for our Special Operations Division. Renovations were also completed at our downtown courthouse checkpoints. Our downtown handicap access was also redone, and also renovations at our detention center. Under my leadership, the Cobb County Sheriff's Office has the honor and privilege of being the only agency in the nation this year to receive the Triple Crown rating, and as well as a Mental Health Accreditation. Now let's hear from Lieutenant Jones.
The Triple Crown was established by the National Sheriff's Association to recognize those law enforcement agencies who achieve the gold standard in delivering public safety services. The Triple Crown consists of certifications from the following three national organizations: CALEA, the Commission on Accreditation for Law Enforcement Agencies; ACA, American Correctional Association; and NCCHC, National Commission on Correctional Health Care. Acquiring all three certifications at the same time is an extraordinary task. In fact, the Triple Crown distinction is so rare since its inception upon the first award in 1993, fewer than 100 sheriff's offices have qualified. As a Triple Crown recipient, we are held to the highest of standards in public safety with a series of checks and balances to confirm ongoing compliance. The Cobb County Sheriff's Office is also the recipient of the Mental Health Accreditation awarded by NCCHC. Although not a part of the Triple Crown rating, the distinction ranks just as high by means of excellence and professionalism in our field.